Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Perennial Birthday, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Perennial Birthday, and we're going to be using Here's to Celebrating You and Wishing You the Best on Your Special Day. I have the Dino Roar Designer Series paper. And these two panels are cut at 1 by 7/8, 1 7/8 by 3.5. And this bottom panel is 1.5 by 3 3/4. And then I have a piece of Tranquil Tide that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I found it easiest to place the panels where you would like them first, and then pick up each piece and set it down. So all right, that looks good there. I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive, and let's go ahead and put the bottom one down first. I think I need to scoot this one over just a tad. Okay, so just like that, I'm going to come in with a piece of Whisper White, and I have the Here's to Celebrating You mounted on clear block B, and then I have my Mango Melody. So just like that. And I have our card base, and that is Old Olive. And I didn't mean to put my ink pad up yet. I have our sentiment mounted on clear block C. And we're just going to push down there in the middle. Okay, so we'll put this aside, and I have my 2-inch circle punch. And we're just going to get this here, just like that. And then I have a piece of Mango Melody along with my Starburst punch. Alright, so we'll put this down with some snail adhesive onto our Starburst. So just like that. And then we will take our card front here, our matte piece. I made this card for my 7-year-old great nephew. It was his birthday. Well, it's his birthday today, the day that I'm filming, but I already gave him his card. And then we're just going to put about 3 Stampin' Dimensionals in the back. So Braylon, if you're watching, happy birthday. And let's see, about right there. And then I have our Dino Roar enamel shapes. And I'm going to get my Take Your Pick tool here. And I'm just going to place that here. And then that one here. And then another leaf here. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple little boy's birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!